Ukraine has officially launched the licensed assembly of Bren 2 rifles on its territory, marking a significant step toward enhancing its defense capabilities and reducing reliance on foreign arms supplies. The assembly process, which began in November 2024, is a collaboration between Ukraine's state-owned enterprise Ukroboronprom and the Czech firearms manufacturer Česká zbrojovka a.s., CZUB. This partnership reflects Ukraine's commitment to strengthening its national defense industry. The goal is not just to assemble the Bren 2 rifles locally, but eventually to produce them entirely within Ukraine, under the name SICH. This move is part of a broader strategy to foster self-sufficiency in weapon production and reduce dependence on foreign suppliers. The Bren 2 is a modern, reliable, and versatile assault rifle. It has been a key component of the Ukrainian armed forces since the start of the ongoing conflict, with thousands currently deployed across various units, including elite forces under Ukraine's Military Intelligence Directorate. Known for its reliability and ease of use, it has become a trusted weapon for Ukrainian soldiers on the front lines. To ensure the highest quality, the assembly of these rifles in Ukraine follows strict quality control procedures based on the standards set by CZUB. Czech experts have trained Ukroboronprom personnel, ensuring that the assembly process adheres to the rigorous requirements of the advanced weapon system. This collaboration not only strengthens Ukraine's defense capabilities, but also deepens the partnership between Ukraine and the Czech Republic in the defense sector. In addition to rifle assembly, Ukraine has also partnered with Sellier and Bellet, a Czech ammunition manufacturer, to transfer ammunition production to Ukrainian soil. This move further supports Ukraine's goal of achieving greater self-sufficiency in critical defense materials. By moving towards local production of the Bren 2 rifles, Ukraine is taking significant steps to ensure its military remains well-equipped for the future. The country will gain greater control over its supply chain, maintenance, and overall defense strategy, making sure the armed forces have a constant supply of modern and reliable weaponry. This collaboration with Česká zbrojovka and Sellier and Bellet highlights Ukraine's ongoing efforts to modernize its military and increase its defense independence. As the country continues to invest in its defense industry, it moves closer to securing its future with domestically produced weapons and ammunition, ensuring that it remains prepared for any challenge ahead.